Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you a few things to do if your keyboard doesn't work on your Android device. So if I have a problem with my keyboard when it's not appear when I click in the text field, I'm always starting from the simply restart the device. Hold the power button and click restart. It's a little bit obvious, but sometimes it works. After that, you can check that you have any system updates. Just check it in the system and look for the update. If you have any, just install it. After that, if your keyboard is still not visible, go to the system, language and input, and choose virtual keyboard. Now select the other one, but if you don't have any other keyboard, go to the Play Store and find it by voice command Android keyboard. Now just install a SwiftKey, for example, and go back to the settings like before. Just open the virtual keyboard, tap on the Manage Keyboards and turn on the Microsoft SwiftKey. Now tap OK and turn off the keyboard. And now your keyboard should work. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.